Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Spartacus, and we're here live at the Barber's Show. And I have a beautiful lady close to me. Good evening, ma.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. I'm fine.
Can you introduce yourself to the people out there?
Yes, my name is Lucy Tamlin. I'm the ambassador of the United States in Benin.
Okay, she's the ambassador of the United States in Benin. So can you tell me something about this show, ma?
Well, I know that some of the people involved in this show are very active at the American Embassy in our reading room.
Yes.
And I wanted to come and let them know how much we appreciate their interest in improving their English language skills and also in all aspects of cultural manifestations.
Okay.
So this seemed like a great evening, a chance to see a play, a chance to meet some young people.
Definitely.
And speak my own language, which is always easy.
Yes,
and I just wanted to congratulate everybody for their great work. It looks like it's going to be a really nice evening.
Sure, thank you very much, ma. So can you just tell me just an advice to the people watching right now out there, just a little advice to them, to the young?
Well, we at the embassy, we have a phrase, we say, implique-toi, which means get involved. Do what you can do to improve yourselves, improve your community in every way that you can. And we want to be your partner in that.
Okay, thank you very much, ma. Thank you. Stay tuned.
Baba Show brought to you by Jock Show. So stand up with me.
I'm the CEO of the Jock Show, Mr. Jock.
What inspired the show?
Basically, I've always liked passionate things. I've always liked things that are dear to my heart. And one thing that's dear to my heart is art. I love acting, I love theater, I love anything that has to do with entertainment that is actually very classy anyway. So I believe the show is going to be great because people are coming in now and I'm very happy with the outcome basically. So our challenges have been if people are going to be able to accept it in being public, basically. Nothing else.
Okay, thank you very much for sharing your experience. All right.